is so annoying to me.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to another beautiful day in California. So as I promised, we are gonna clean the carpets in the ST today. So let's get started. Yes, that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna hand the camera off to my lovely assistant here, and then she's gonna keep you guys entertained while I pull the car in.
Let me get my lashes done. Hey. Okay, so I guess he's going to be cleaning the carpets. I'm going to clean my car. Let's see, it's a very nice day out. Whoa, 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 whoa. That hurts my eyes. I can drive it in here? In the garage?
Yeah, go ahead and
I'm scared.
go around, because I want to see what it looks like rolling. So let's go around the parking lot.
What do you mean you want to see what it looks like rolling?
Just go around the parking lot. So start it obviously, and then go around the parking lot, go in the street, and then come back in. So I can see what it looks like. I've never seen this car rolling. So. Where's my car? My car is real close, too. Safety first, everybody. Even though I'm not even leaving. Okay. Oh, dear. We should not have parked that close. We're gonna wait for this thing. I have a good idea.
Huh.
This video was now changed. So we were supposed to clean my carpets, but I have a better idea.
What? I need to clean my car.
I'm gonna let you drive this car by yourself to wherever you want to go.
Me?
You can stay in town, or you can obviously go out of town, but I know you're not gonna
What?
stay in town. So if you want...
Oh, ow! I gotta go to Berkeley.
For what?
I gotta go get my tea that I haven't had in like a month, you know? Bye. Good.
Let me know what you guys think down below, how she did while she was in the car by herself. So have fun.
All right, wish me luck. Actually, let me figure out. So, where should we go? Watch for my car. Watch for my car. Watch for my car. Okay, let's see. If I go over a bump, oh my gosh, she's gonna see it. Oh, I'm scared. Whoa, I already forgot. You're gonna see that too. Should have told him to turn off that popcorn noise. It's real annoying. I am so nervous. His car is too fragile. Any little bump scares me in this thing. Cars are coming. I'm not the best at this. It's gonna be a nice, chill, relaxing drive. Unlike Robert's, you know, they're like crazy fast for no reason. Okay, we're gonna go slow. Too short. Oh, and there's cops. Great. That's not good. I told him, what if I get pulled over? Ooh, it'll be over. Game over. Never going in this car again. I'm not a fast food type person, but yet again, there's hardly anything to eat out here. So I might have to get fast food. So we're going to head to Jack in the Box. Hopefully not be behind this person the whole time, because they're extremely slow, I'm telling you guys. Ugh, so irritating. tell you guys right now, it's really weird driving this car without Robert. I'm very scared to do this. Woo! Let's see. Let's have fun though. Hopefully I don't get pulled over. Oh, sheesh. So annoying. How many of you guys like that popping noise and how many of you guys don't? I'm real curious. Like, that thing is so annoying to me. I don't know. A lot of people have it, so if you guys don't like the popping, let Robert know. Let me know. I'm not the only one. It's really loud and obnoxious. I'd rather it just be quiet. The air filter or whatever it is, the thing that airs up is already loud enough. I'm really focused on driving this car, so I'm not interacting with you guys. Sorry about that. I just don't want to hit any bumps because Robert's gonna see this video and have to edit it. So it's making me a little nervous. Where's one? Oh. I saw in the last video the comments that you guys are pretty much all around the world. I think that's so cool. Shout out to you guys for watching. That's pretty cool. Sadly, there's nothing out here. I really wish I knew how to drive this car perfect so I can go out of town, come back, you know, hours later. Maybe I should go get my dog. No, Robert will be mad if she pees in here. She's still getting potty trained, obviously. She's still a puppy, so. I've never been in a drive-thru in this car. Oh, sheesh. That was so scary. Alright, let me tell him I got pulled over just to play with him. Okay, I told him I got pulled over and just to hold on like I'm acting, or like I'm acting like I'm talking to the cops or something. Maybe I should pull out if he has a ticket in here. So he said you're lying. So let me see if he has an old ticket in here or something. Oops, gotta move forward first. He just cleaned out his car, so he might not have a ticket in here. Darn it. Oh, he doesn't. Darn it. He told me don't stop recording. I'm guessing he wants to see me get pulled over. I'm gonna just say, oh, they made me not record. Whoa, 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 whoa. Not too bad. Okay. I know how to drive. Good. That's the one thing about stick shifts. You can't do anything but drive. You can't be on your phone when obviously you're not supposed to be on your phone, but you can't eat. That's the worst part. You can't eat. I knew I was a pro at driving stick, well, semi-pro at driving stick when I was able to eat a falling apart burrito while driving. Homemade, so it was falling apart. I don't know why it shut off, but maybe it's because it's too hot. Good thing we're going back home, right? Sorry people. It's not my car. I love how this car is just so, like when you're not going fast, it's just smooth. So, oh, I realize he still thinks I'm getting pulled over, so let me just tell him, yes, that I'm okay. I'm gonna act all distraught when I get there and say, I got a ticket for your tint, I got a ticket for the muffler, and they said because I'm driving, I got the ticket. Let's see what he says. Back right now. Oh, a bump, a big bump, but hey, didn't scratch the car, so that's all that matters. best friend. That's so sweet. I don't think I went fast not once. It was okay. Oh. Boring. It's okay though. I do like the whistle noise. I don't know what it is, but it sounds cute. Let's see, where is he at? Oh yeah, I forgot I'm supposed to be mad I got pulled over. I forgot. Come in. Huh?
What happened?
I will never drive your car again.
What happened?
I got a ticket. For your car.
What happened?
They said I was going too fast. They said tints, of course. Because I seen it, I was like, oh shoot. And it didn't dawn on me to put the windows down this one time.
I told you leave the windows down.
Well, I like the air. But I was like, officer, this is it. My car, I'm just test driving it. So, I'm hungry though. At least I still got my food. Yeah, I was pretty mad, babe. Who knows? You know it's probably gonna be, well, you already have to take your tints off, don't you?
What did they get you for?
I told you.
Tint and going too fast?
Mm-hmm.
So you got a speeding ticket?
Mm-hmm.
Again?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, really?
Don't be mad at me. It's not my fault.
Oh, my dude.
I mean, your car is supposed to go fast, right? At least the tints will be taken care of, because aren't you taking them off for your ticket?
No, I wasn't. I was paying the ticket.
Aw, dang it, babe. Well,
I told you to keep the windows down. Alright, come on.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, babe. I'm sorry. I'm the one that got it. It's okay. Just in your car. It's okay. You'll see where the officer was talking to me and stuff. I'm just kidding.
Dude, what the heck? That's not funny.
I'm just kidding. Babe, you got me on April Fools and you just got it back, boy. Babe.
That's not funny. That's honestly not.
Babe, no, come back, please. Please, babe, come here. You said my car got T-boned on April Fools.
That's still not funny. It's not April Fools.
Okay, well, I got you back finally.
That's not funny. Dude.
Okay,
So
give me a hug.
I was stressing over there sitting on the bench like, dude.
Hey, and I was stressing when you joked with me.
I almost hopped in your car and I almost went to go get you.
Aww.
I was so home. Like,
you guys see how calm Robert is? That's the one thing I love about him. He just stays so calm.
that's not funny though. I was like stressed. I was like, oh my gosh.
Aww, give me a
And then
hug.
you said it was a speeding ticket. I was like, you can't afford another speeding ticket.
I know.
Oh my god.
I know. That was a good part though. That just cherry on top. Cause you know I can't have another speeding ticket.
I'm lying to you though. I second guessed you.
You did?
You know why?
Why?
Because I didn't see the ticket coming. When you pulled up, I didn't see the ticket.
You know what? You'll see in the video. I actually was looking for your old ticket. Cause I was like, I'm gonna get him real good. I was like, I hope he has his old ticket.
Oh no,
It's not in there.
Yeah.
Accidentally got makeup on you. I'm sorry about that.
That's fine. Better than the ticket. I'm mad.
A speeding ticket at that.
I'm not gonna lie, you got me. High five. You got me.
I've been really trying, baby. Trying to hold back this feeling for so long. And if you feel like I feel, baby, then come on. Oh, come on. Woo.